Hey guys, look at my office today. I came to continue what I had started last week, and I'm recording this video because you know my internet isn't good outside and I don't want to show you an ugly view. I wanted to show you a lovely view. Look what I noticed, and I can hear the storms coming. Look what a lovely day we have. Wait, look at the sea. Let me show you the sea. It's crystal clear. God, if I knew, I would have come with my swimsuit and dive in for sure. There are people swimming. I think I saw someone swimming, or no. Look at the sea. Wow, it's amazing. So here it's nice, but guess what? Look what's coming from over there. So what I need to do, I need to do it quick, but it's still far away. But it's coming. This is nature, right? Let me show you. Maybe you can see it if I get closer. So you can see dark, and behind there are white clouds, but you can see over there, it's like there in the sea. I think rain is coming. My husband is fishing, so I hope he doesn't have bad weather. I think fishing is the worst job anyone can have. But look how nice. The sea is shining, sparkling. How can't you not come to work if it's possible, when it's possible? I feel so lucky I can work remotely. Look at the sea. Well, knowing me, I'll end up watching the sea and the view more than working, but I can take advantage and record my videos from this amazing view. That's all from my side. I hope you have a blessed week and an amazing week. I'm gonna start doing something. Good day to you all, and God bless.